beautiful to me, baby. Thank you, Jeremiah. Gustavo, move your precious finger far away. Si Gustavo, thank you. Send me your phone number. Si Ija Karani, if you want my phone number, just my phone number, just look at the YouTube description. I putting my number there for those interesting only. Mysteries interesting. You have what's up, Owen? What's up? Yep. What's up? What's in your favorite TV show? Survivor ini. I like kuan kanang mga movies, Predator. Yeah, I want like that Predator, then the tip one, ano yun yung uh, fighting ba? That's fight. I like that to watch. Mm, for only movie, huh? Nothing personal. Yeah, we are talking about for movie, favorite movie. Yeah, I want I like to watch a Predator. Um, kuan what is mean? It's like a taekwondo book. Ano karate fighting. Um, what is your favorite color? Favorite color? Any color? What attractive to me? Attractive to see. That's it. Thank you, Gustavo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anyone did not catch my live stream? Maybe it's sleeping, because I know it's night now in your place, because here it's morning. We're not same kuan night and day. So how is your family doing? Good survivor. Yeah, so it's a good. It's a good. Sometimes it's so hard to make a live streaming to me because I have a baby. He crying, so that's why sometimes it's hard to me to make live streaming, and also I will make video because I need to care. Yeah, I need to care them. I need to care him. I need to care him. So that's why. But I will fight also. I will work hard for my channel. Yeah, because my YouTube channel is so very big to help on me. Yeah, even my salary is small, it's fine. It's fine to me. The important is I provide what's that thing I buy for my children. That's it. to make live, to make live, to make mabuhi ba everyday. Important is to how to feed, and that's it. To feed my kids. That's why. And Jeremiah Adams, thank you, Jeremiah Adams. Spirita, you are a star. Thank you, Tryon Price. Gustavo. Thank you so much. You sparkle like a diamond. Thank you, Survivor. Yeah, I'm just always thinking that how would it be my channel if I cannot upload a video, making a live stream because I have to prioritize to care my son. That's it. Because it is a baby son. So that's it. But I work hard and give it time, even if gonna I cannot taking a bath or this time because I want making to live streaming, making a video, then later, and after that, that's it. What to kuan na, taking a bath na. That's it. So what do you do for fun? For fun? What for fun you mean? For fun? For fun? My only for fun for me is kuan to make a video every day, then uploading my channel. That's it. That's it. So for now, that's why I make a live stream now because my son was sleeping. So that's why I live stream, making a live streaming now. And after this, that's it. Gonna take a bath na, cleaning the house. That's it. Mm. And then they have if there's somebody requesting me a costume, anya, I give a time to and also make a picture costume. That's it. You know, uh, sorry for that to Jeremy Adams. That you mean it for fun? It's okay. Thank you for spreading the hearts on my screen. Thank you so much. Gustavo, your feet is sweetie. Thank you, Gustavo. Thank you so much. Spirit, how many kids you have? I have two. I have two. Yeah, I enjoy the beach because I'm bringing a hammock. I bringing the hammock. I bring the hammock for my son to stay put there. Then sleeping. Sweetie sleeping. That's it. You are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines, Gustavo. I remember seeing your little girl. Yeah, I have a koan. I have a girl also. Mm, I have a two baby girl and boy. I koan. Last year I deliver. Expect my I my ano? Last year December I delivered my son last year. It's, your feet is stinky. That's so. My favorite dish eating food all time. Dirty dry soul. Hell meals. Yummy tasty. Yummy tasty. Tyron Price, congratulations. Thank you so much. I feel hot na. Vicinta, Vicente Isabella. Hello, hi to you. Greetings from Wow, Chile. Thank you for coming. You have a beautiful nails. He is speaking Spanish, but I need to translate to understand a little. Yeah, just you speak Spanish, but not at all were same. So that's why you need to um, translator. Shiny skin is so smooth and pretty. Thank you so much. Survivor, Jerry Blande. Hi to you. Si Vivo Vivo, my angel, you look sweet. Yeah, it's a little sweet, but my body is cannot cooperate. Even I'm eating more. That's it. I feel hot na, so I'm going to